Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I have a challenge lock. I'm going to pick it for the first time. It is called Rabbit Hole by Dots Locks. It is in an era. 5 pins. Let's see what we got here. See what we can do here. Boom! Shakalaka! Put up a nice little fight. Let's see what's inside this motherfucker. Alright, I got a pinning tray right here. Move that off to the side like that. Alright, so we got the open there, Mr. Dots Locks. Number 1. Cool. La 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 la. Right side, okay. Just making it sure it was the right size follower. That's all. Okay. Let's see what you got, my brother love. Alright, number 5, standard. Number 4, standard. Number 3. Standard. Number 1. Oh, he's got a little spoolishness going on there. Standard. Clean plug other than this cool little trap that he did on number 1 there. Little trench trap. I love it. Alright. Start at the back here. This is the back, right? Yeah, okay. Number 5, spool. Number 4, another sexy spool. Number 3, oh, another spoolish bastard. We'll leave that. Oh, push those back in the springs. We'll go to number 1 here, this way. One standard. 2 spool. Very nice dots, my buddy. Alright, they are all the same springs. Oh, my apologies, they were not all the same. Oh, shoot. They're pretty well identical. This one's a little different. Hope I didn't mess up. So if anything, that one would have been on the standard one. That makes the most sense. So that's what I'll do. That makes sense. Okay. Perfect. And we have a clean Bible. We have a complete pick and gut of our Brother Love Dots Locks first challenge lock. And I say, my brother Dots, bravo. You did a wonderful job, man. Come on. Look at that, guys. Dots number 1. All right. That's all I got for you guys. Link to Dots' channel will be in the title of this video.
Subscribe, share, and comment.
Thank you so much. That was a blast.
Ciao.
I'm going to get into number 2 after I have a